Welcome back to another video in this Forex price action basics course. This is lesson 3, trending markets. If you haven't already done so, please read through this lesson at technicalforex.com. When we look at any chart of a currency pair, the US dollar, Canadian dollar, the pound, Australian dollar, the US dollar, Japanese yen, no matter what the currency pair is, price is generally behaving in one of 4 ways. Price is generally moving in a upwards direction, a downwards direction, a sideways direction, or it has no direction at all and it's all over the place. So what is a trending market? Where if price is moving in a general upwards direction, this is referred to as an uptrend. And if price is moving in a general downwards direction, this is called a downtrend. If price is moving in a sideways direction, that's called a range, and we'll cover ranges in the next video. So when price trends, either uptrends or downtrends, it doesn't just go bang and fly up here, and when it comes down it doesn't go bang and fly down here and move so quickly that you cannot take advantage of these uptrends and downtrends. Instead, price actually swings, it moves up and down, but in a general direction. So if we look at the illustrations here, we have an uptrend, and these are the swings that I am referring to. We have this move up, we swing back down, we swing up, we swing back down, we swing up, we swing back down, and so forth. And overall, we are moving upwards. If we look at a downtrend, we have another illustration here. We have these swings once again. Swing up, swing down, swing up, swing down, and price is moving in a general downwards direction. So that's an uptrend and a downtrend. So let's look at some actual charts of this happening. So let's look at a chart. Let me bring up a chart of, let's do the US dollar, Canadian dollar, because we've had some nice trends on that currency pair lately. Let's make this a bit clearer for you. Okay, so this is a 1 hour chart of the US dollar, Canadian dollar, and you'll see that to the left side of the chart, price was down here, and to the right, price was up here. You'll see that we have our price scale on the y-axis and our times and dates on the x-axis. So we're moving in a general upwards direction. So this is what we call an uptrend. Price is uptrending. And you'll notice that price didn't just go bang up here and then we're up here and the trend's over. But actually price has those swings. It moves up, it moves down, it moves up, it moves down. It has like these waves in the market. But overall we move in an upwards direction. So if we look at this uptrend, we swing up, we come back down, we swing up, we come back down, we swing, and we do this all the way until we get to the top here. So we have these swings, and this is our uptrend. Sometimes these are referred to as swing highs when we push higher, and when we come back down, swing lows. And also with these swings, we create sort of these steps in the market, and sometimes these are referred to as highs and low. So we can have a high here, another high here, here's another high, and here are our lows. Now I do understand that I'm covering a lot of material in this video, so please just rewatch it and let all this information sink in. If we go to a daily chart, so that's a 1 hour chart, each of these candles represents 1 hour of price action. If we go to a daily chart, you'll see something very similar here. We have another uptrend, and we have our swings. So we come up, come back down, we come up, we come back down, and we come up. So swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Here are our highs, and here are our lows. Now the main characteristic of an uptrend is higher highs and higher lows. So each time we create one of these highs, it's higher than the high previous. And obviously that makes sense if you think about it. For an uptrend to be an uptrend, you need to be moving higher. And the same with these lows. We have a low here and a low here, and they're higher each time. If this was another low here, it's higher than the low previously, and that is an uptrend. Now a downtrend is basically the same, just the opposite. So if we find a downtrend, I'll just go to current price action. Okay, this is the uptrend that I demonstrated. This is back to the 1 hourly chart, and you'll see we have a nice downtrend here. So price was up here, came all the way down here. It didn't just shoot down. What actually happened was we had these swings, swing highs and swing lows, with lots of small swings here, something like that. So we swing low, we swing high, we swing low, we swing high, we swing low, and it continues. Here's our highs, here are our lows. You'll notice that each low is lower than the low previously, and each high is lower than the high previously. And that's the main characteristic of a downtrend, is lower lows and lower highs. With an uptrend, it's higher highs and higher lows. Let's see if we can find another downtrend. If we go back, once again we have these nice swings. Very clear here for this uptrend. Clear swings like that. This stepping or wave motion in the market. Lots of uptrends on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Trying to find a very nice clear downtrend for you. Okay, so here we go. This is the US dollar, Canadian dollar. It's the weekly chart. We were up here, we came all the way down here. What was the behavior of price as it moved in that general downwards direction? We had this swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, and we just keep coming down like this. And that's our downtrend. Now the best thing for you to do is actually to bring up a chart and try to identify these trends yourself and identify these highs and lows, because the more time you spend looking at charts and studying charts, the more these things will become clear to you. Because it's important to know about trends, because if we're going to make profit from the Forex markets, we need to identify these trends, because it can tell us where price is going to be in the future. If we believe that price is going to continue moving in a downwards direction, we can enter some short positions. If we feel price is going to go up, we can enter some long positions and make money accordingly. If we don't know the general price direction of a currency pair, then I believe you're left more in the dark. If you can identify a downtrend, then surely you're more likely to be able to make profit, as you know the general direction of the market. But it's not as easy as that, and as these videos go on, you'll find there's a lot more to technical analysis than just being able to identify downtrends and uptrends. Thank you so much for watching. As mentioned, please watch the video again to make sure that you really take in what is being taught here, and that you go to some price charts and try and identify these uptrends and downtrends yourself. Thank you for watching.